I the only one that didn't know the secret to the ultimate crispy fried chicken? Well, buckle up, because we're about to reveal it. All right, food lovers, let's dive into the secrets of making crispy fried chicken. First up, choosing the right chicken. Always go for bone-in, skin-on pieces. Trust me, they pack the flavor and stay juicy. Next, marination matters. Our secret marinade recipe infuses every bite with flavor and keeps your chicken tender. No more dry chicken here. Now, let's talk breading. The two-step method, dredging and double dipping, creates that perfect crunchy crust. Double the dip, double the crunch, and don't skimp on the oil. Use the right oil and keep that temperature just right to avoid greasy chicken. Science, baby. Finally, let it rest. Yep, patience is key. Let your chicken sit after frying to lock in that crispy texture without losing moisture. Ready to transform your kitchen into a fried chicken haven? Hit that like button, subscribe for more tasty recipes, and ring the bell. Share your crispy creations with #CrispyChickenSecrets. Can't wait to see your delicious results.